DJI just made it official. The Lito series is real. It has a name, it has a tagline, and it is launching very soon, like right after the Osmo Pocket 4. Now, the teaser itself is deliberately vague, an animated graphic, no drone visible, just the name Lito appearing in a display, alongside 2 words that tell you everything about the philosophy behind this product. Just fly. 2 words, and if you understand what DJI is trying to do here, those 2 words say more about this drone than any spec sheet will. Let me explain why I think the Lito series is one of the most strategically important launches DJI has made in years. What Just Fly actually means, DJI has a lot of drones. The Mini series covers beginners to serious creators. The Air and Mavic series serve professionals. The Neo series created the Palm launch. Onto Action Cam in the Sky category. The Avatar series owns FPV. Every one of those products still asks something of you before you fly. Learn the controller, understand the modes, set up the app, think about where the camera is pointing. Just Fly is DJI saying, what if we removed all of that? Not dumbed down, friction-free. The difference between a camera that requires a manual and a smartphone camera that you just point and shoot. The Lito one is reportedly designed around this exact philosophy. Internal storage, so you do not need to think about SD cards, simple controls, lightweight design, intelligent modes that do the thinking for you, leaked pricing around $330, accessible enough that the barrier to entry almost disappears. The Lito X1 steps it up. 42 gigabytes internal storage, more advanced transmission, likely 05. I get you around 30 minutes of flight time, tracking waypoints, leaked pricing around $759. Still built around the same core idea, reduce friction, increase accessibility. 2 drones, 1 philosophy, get out of the way and let people fly. DJI has not officially called the Lito the Mini 4K's successor, but everything points there. The Mini 4K has been one of DJI's most popular and accessible drones. Sub 250 grams, stabilized 4K. Beginner, friendly, affordable. It served exactly one purpose: give someone their first drone experience without overwhelming them. The timing of the Lito launch, the price positioning, the Just Fly tagline, this is DJI evolving that exact formula for a new generation. Not a Mini 4K 2. A reimagining of what the most accessible DJI drone can be in 2026. The Mini series becomes the enthusiast and creator lineup. Like the Lito series becomes the pure consumer gateway. 2 clearly separated lanes. Less overlap, more clarity for buyers. That is a smart strategic move. And it suggests DJI has been watching what works in the entry-level drone market very carefully, including the success of drones like the Hover Air X1, which proved that a no-friction point and follow drone has enormous mainstream appeal. I covered this in a previous video, and it is worth revisiting now that DJI has confirmed the Lito is real. In the leaked prototype images, there is a fisheye camera on top of the Lito X1 that most reviewers dismissed as a basic obstacle avoidance sensor. I think it is more than that. On the Neo 2, DJI achieved omnidirectional obstacle awareness using a minimal sensor setup, a wide-angle fisheye-style camera combined with intelligent software. The result was obstacle sensing that punched well above what the hardware suggested was possible. The fisheye camera on the Lito X1 looks like the same approach, and if those 2 black spots in the leaked images are LiDAR sensors, which is exactly what they look like, then this drone may have significantly more sophisticated obstacle sensing than its entry-level price suggests. Reviewers are saying do not expect obstacle avoidance on the Lito. I would not write it off yet. I did something surprising with the Neo 2. They may be doing it again here. The Lito is not launching alone. DJI is in the middle of a significant product rollout right now. The Osmo Pocket 4 launches April 16th, a refined, creator-focused pocket camera with better frame rates, more internal storage, and potentially the DJI Mic 3 in the box. The Lito series follows shortly after. The Power 1000 Mini global release is confirmed, like expanding DJI's portable power station lineup for creators and professionals, and there are hints of a new audio product on the way. This is not a single product launch. This is DJI staking out multiple market positions simultaneously: compact cameras, entry drones, power solutions, audio, all arriving within weeks of each other. For anyone watching the drone and creator camera space, the next month is going to be one of the most active product periods DJI has had in years, and I will be covering all of it in China. With early access to everything as it lands, the DJI Lito series is officially confirmed, launching after the Pocket 4, sub 250 grams, just fly as the guiding philosophy. It's a position to replace or succeed the Mini 4K as DJI's most accessible gateway drone. 2 words on a teaser graphic told us more about DJI's intentions than most companies reveal in a full press release. The details will come over the next few days as DJI builds toward the launch. I will be covering every development as it surfaces. Subscribe and hit the bell. This is moving fast and you do not want to be behind on it. Drop in the comments, does the Lito concept excite you, or do you think DJI already has enough entry-level drones? And if you are in the market for a first drone, does Just Fly speak to what you are looking for? Tell me below. The lineup keeps growing and it keeps getting more interesting.